Welcome to third episode of Python in StarSteer. In today's episode, we will explore how Python can streamline your project setup workflow. Let's look at the usual approach. Start with a blank StarSteer project. Drag Excel files for, let's say, 10 wells to import them into StarSteer. Under each well, I will have to create a well plan, copy the well trajectory from the spreadsheet, select all cells, copy, and then go to well plan spreadsheet and paste these values. I will also have to create topsets, prog topset under the well plan, and the actual topset under the well. Repeating this for many wells can be time-consuming. Now here's the Python way to boost efficiency. I have a script called project setup workflow. I will multi-select all wells and drag and drop them under the input wells value cell. Provide a well plan name and hit run. This will create a new well plan with today's date appended to the name, all the trajectory copied over, and it's cleared from the original well. Done for all the wells. Another script handles the topsets. I'll provide the path for an Excel file in which I have well names and top names with their corresponding MDs. Again, I will multi-select all the wells, drag and drop in the input wells value cell, provide a prog topset and actual topset name, and hit run. This has created topsets under each well. A prog topset under the well plan. It has all the MDs populated for each formation top. The actual topset has got the names for all tops, but the MD values are empty, which can be updated while drilling. The well is now ready for streaming data. And that's it. With Python handling these repetitive steps, you'll save significant setup time and can focus on what really matters in your geosteering workflows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.